Hi Leo, welcome to your reading. Ang reading na ito is for May 1st to May the 3rd, no? So, Leo, ayan, nandito tayo sa season ng Venus is in Taurus, no? So, konting paalala, baka napapansin natin medyo banidoso tayo ngayon, no? Um, Hindi lang dahil mainit, no? Medyo nagtatagal tayong maligo, ganyan, or nagre-rejuve tayo, no? So, it's actually a part of, taking care of ourselves. Also, baka mapansin nyo nagiging emotional po kayo. So, take it easy. Ganun talaga, no? So, sa mga bago po, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Kwentuhan nyo naman po ako. And hit that notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release ng bagong video. Kung gusto niyo sumali sa live session sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV, no? Kung gusto niyo rin ng dalawang reading mula po sa akin, yun po kasi ang ating international channel. So, hope to see you there, no? So, Leo, sa mga nagsusupport naman po, I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat. Sumasagot po ako ng questions, no, sa comment section as long as ang question ay naka-format ng yes or no. Okay, so simulan na natin. Leo, so parang pakiramdam natin ngayon inspired tayo, no? Dahil nakikita ko, itong taong to is parang ipapakilala or ipinikilala sa inyo through friends, no? Hindi naman, let's say crush, well, to the extent of probably, ito yung tinatawag nating love at first sight. Dumating yung part nung nakilala mo tong taong to, or makikilala mo tong taong to na parang hihint mo yung mundo. Parang yung sa commercial, pag may nakita ka na, ay, starstruck, no? Pwedeng ikaw ito yung na-starstruck, or ikaw yung nasa kabila, no, na ikaw yung, kumbaga, someone got starstruck on you, no? I'm not reading kung anong side kayo. I'm reading the dynamics at kung ano yung nangyayari, no? So, bigla na lang, no, naramdaman mo na napana ka ni Cupido. Little tricksters, the King of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles. So, napaka-aggressive, no, ng mga moves na nangyari. It doesn't matter kung sino yung nag-start. Probably this is, let's say, it started in a party. It started with, gathering. You kind of like waiting for this person na either mag-reach out sa'yo, ikaw ang mag-reach out. Nakikita mo na rin tong taong to, no? Probably through Facebook, no? Or sa kwento. Bago pa man dumating yung tao, may idea ka na kung anong klaseng taong to. Medyo meron lang hindi magandang reputation, no? Na nababalitaan ka, pero that's all chismis, hindi natin sure, di ba? So far, the console, the Three of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. So, medyo heartbreaker na. So, I feel like meron ditong someone just got heartbroken. Pwedeng ikaw, no? Or pwedeng siya, no? Na nakipag-separate. And then, someone just started to, let's say, have a party, focus on themselves, probably also sabihin natin na nag-unwind, no? I'm seeing a lot of, probably this is also some dining, no? Pwedeng dining, pwedeng, kumain sa labas, nag-milk tea, nag-coffee to the extent of umiinom kayo, no? So parang wish fulfillment ito, the King of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Sweet Happiness. So ang nakikita ko naman dito with the King of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Sweet Happiness, parang maganda naman yung part ng mga pagkikwentuhan, no? Meron lang hindi so far. So after the party, hindi man lang, siguro someone just clicked or added the person as a friend, hindi pa tinatanggap so far. Pwede nag-exchange din ng numbers, pero hindi ko pa rin tinatanggap so far, no? So far. So parang nandun kasi stagnant interaction or situationship. We cannot say that this is a relationship as of the moment, no? With the Five of Pentacles, the Death card, the Five of Wands. So parang kung sino man tong taong to, if this is you, Leo, na parang, oy, na-starstruck ako, you know that there is somewhat a competition. Dahil nakapagkwentuhan kayo, sabihin natin na sinabi niya na, yeah, I still love my ex or I still have feelings for my ex. So you feel like, I am in a competition. So medyo kinakabahan tayo ngayon na, ay baka bumalik siya sa ex. It doesn't matter kung gaano kahaba yung ang separations nila. Pero yun sa'yo, kasi parang feeling mo, bukod sa meron siyang reputation na maloko nga, with the Emperor in here, parang feeling mo naman, parang hindi naman din siya bibigay sa akin. No? So, ang kinakausap kong Leo dito is yung Leo na magaling magsayaw, yung Leo na parang laging nananalo sa pageant. So, I think na parang meron din, or modeling, no, what have you, gustong mag-artista, or merong background, no, for commercials, what have you. Entertainment industry is a big factor sa Leo na kinakausap ko. Pwedeng siya, pwedeng ikaw, no. Somewhat nakikita ko, hindi naman hika ko sa buhay, sabihin na natin may kaya, no. Ang nakikita ko rin dito is maganda, magaling magbihis ng damit, no? Parang medyo banidoso nga. Siya yung Leong kinakausap ko, ha? With the Wheel of Fortune, the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles. Uy, magre-reply na si stranger. Stranger pa ba? No, acquaintance na yun kasi nakapag-usap na kayo. So, tatanggapin niya ang iyong friend request or tatanggapin mo ang kanyang friend request. Magkakaroon talaga dito yung start ng conversation. No? Parang feeling mo, this will be one of your happiest search? Search agad? Nagsisearch ba talaga tayo? Or one of your happiest memories or experience rather ng sabihin natin kaibigan muna, no? In between worlds, nakikita ko sobrang ganda ng jive ninyo. So, salamat sa friend mo na nagpakilala sa inyo. So, ayan, nakikita ko yung constant communication and getting to know each other. The camaraderie is very good. So, ito ang iyong reading for now. Leo, tignan natin ang zodiac signs ng taong mahal mo. No? So I'm seeing, mahal agad? Anong taong crush mo? Ayan. I'm seeing Taurus. I am also seeing Leo. You might be connecting with the same sign. Aries, Scorpio. What else? Sagittarius. Taurus. Ayan, Aries, nasabi ko na. So, this is your reading for now. Leo, again, maraming salamat po sa mga patuloy po, no, na nagsusupport sa channel. And kung bago po kayo, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.